Hi, I'm John Hinchy, a consultant for Logan Consulting, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to start using the Dynamics app for Outlook. The Microsoft Dynamics app for Outlook has long been awaited as the replacement to the original Microsoft plugin, which has slowed Outlook down and always seemed clunky to users. I'm going to show you today how the new app is out of preview mode and working great. First, you need to enable your app within your Dynamics CRM system. To do this, go to Settings, Email Configuration, and make sure your email box is enabled. Once you run your email test, you can actually go to Settings again, Dynamics 365 App for Outlook. And once you see your name here, when your email box is enabled, click Add App to Outlook. Within Outlook, you will see the Dynamics 365 icon up in the top right. Click this, and you'll be able to start using your Outlook app. From here, a nice new feature is that you can pin your app to Outlook. Now, within this contact, we're using a sample here, Jim Glynn. You can easily set regarding to your contact. As you can see, you also see the related information. You see the account, you see the last activity, recent opportunities, and recent cases. You can set regarding to any one of these by simply clicking the link here. Within the Dynamics app, there are other features as well. Click your home button to go back to your original home page. You can add activities, account, case, competitor, contact. You can always click back. You can click your home button to get back to home again. And within here, if you want to click your open opportunity, you can make updates directly within your opportunity. One of the great features of this is that it also works on your Outlook app for phones as well. The same screen will pop up when you're on your Outlook phone app. For all of your Microsoft Dynamics consulting needs, visit our website at loganconsulting.com, email us at info@loganconsulting.com, or call us at 312-345-8800.